Look where I am, in the middle of nowhere, out on the Swedish coast. You can find this beautiful secluded beach spot that is kind of hard to get to as well, or at least I went the hard way. But it is a natural pebble beach out on the Baltic Sea. It is 26th of July, Saturday, and right now it's 11 a.m. I'm once again starting off the day very early, as the bus from Slusen to get here was at 9:10, and I took the first metro at 8:45 a.m., which is quite early for a Saturday on a summer day. And today the forecast says mostly clouds, but now for this episode the sun appeared somehow, and I'm gonna be chilling here all day long because this place, the closest bus stop, is 3 kilometers away. It's called Malma Kvarn, and there are only 2 buses per day, one in the morning and one in the evening. So if you come in the evening, you need to sleep over in the, either if you know someone that lives nearby, or we can camp here in the nature reserve, but beware of mosquitoes. So the next bus, which is the last one, is at 5:10. So we have around 7 hours today total to explore, and this is a natural beach, as you can see, in the nature reserve. I have also met few cows on the way here. Yes, cow, C-O-W. And in that direction there are lots of rocky cliffs like this, but I don't think there are some that are quite good. I might explore later if I get bored on this beach. We have 23 degrees Celsius in the air here in Värmdö. It's slightly warmer in Stockholm, the center, 25, but it's definitely summer. And I'm going to be swimming here also as well, as it's quite nice and it's out on the sea. Off we go with a water thermometer to measure while I show you a bit more of the beach. So yeah, quite far away. The closest house was like 1.5 kilometers maybe away, but all of the people here have boats, so they might be out on a weekend like this. Beach number 71, and yet another beach adventure with Kris. Summer continues as scheduled, and here definitely you can find your own place, and as it is secluded you can definitely mark it as clothing optional for sure, because nobody is here. And I have met nobody as I was walking across the forest. It is quite off, I would say. Nobody will come here with a car. Very rare. So yeah, let's check the temperature. I think it was 23 degrees 2 days ago in Värmdö, if I'm not completely mistaken. The water is clear and see-through, which is amazing. Okay, here we have a bit colder, 21 degrees Celsius in the water, but still quite warm, especially for me, as I am doing beach adventures even at 0 degrees, which is the minimum that the water can get. It can't get below that, then it's ice. You need to break the ice beneath. So, ready, set, and go! It's been quite a while since I have dived so long in the sea, but this is definitely worth it for a spot like this. So, rocks all the way up. If you go to the top of this peninsula, I think it's around 1 kilometer and around half kilometer on the way down. But the terrain is not the best. It was also very hard to get to this beach from the rocks. There may be a way out here through the forest, as I have read, but I was following the signs. And it's very deep here where I am. Quite very deep out on the open sea. That's why it is slightly colder than usual. So yes, Korshamn Nature Reserve, and this is marked as Korshamn Naturstrand. And quite beautiful. Let's see if I will be the only one here all day long, or until I move to a different spot later. This one is facing east, and you probably have sun until 5 p.m. at least, which is anyway fine, as my bus is at 5, and you see it's so amazing. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from another new beach location that I have unlocked today. I'm so happy when I'm visiting something new. The adrenaline is also rising because I don't know what I'm gonna get by just looking at Google Maps first. So yeah, greetings from Värmdö, from Korshamn Nature Reserve, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!